In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Typeform branding from your surveys and forms in just about 5 minutes. If you're aiming for a more professional appearance for your surveys or forms, removing branding can make a significant difference. So, let me guide you through the steps to achieve that polished, brand-free look on Typeform. To get started, head over to Typeform's website. This platform is known for its user-friendly interface and customization options, which makes it a favorite among businesses and individuals alike. However, the default settings include Typeform branding, which might not align with the seamless experience you want to offer your audience. Once you're at Typeform's website, the next thing you will do is click on the login button. This simple action is the gateway to accessing your dashboard and making all sorts of customizations, including removing branding. If you have an account already, great. If not, you'll need to create one to proceed. After clicking on login, you'll see an option to continue with Google. This feature is pretty convenient for users who prefer a quick sign-in process without remembering another password. Just make sure you're signing in with the correct Google account associated with your Typeform account. Now, you might need to wait for a couple of minutes. This waiting time could be due to the loading of your dashboard, especially if you have a lot of forms or if there's high internet traffic. It's a good moment to sip your coffee or jot down the ideas for your next form. Next, navigate to your profile located at the top left corner of the screen. This area is your control room, where you can manage your personal information, settings, and access various features Typeform offers, including the billing section, which we'll be visiting next. Click on Plan and Billing. This section reveals the details of your current plan, and it's also where you can manage your subscription. Typeform offers different plans tailored to meet various needs, and removing Typeform branding requires a specific subscription level. Here you will see an upgrade button. The process of upgrading is straightforward and unlocks a host of additional features, including the option to remove Typeform branding, which is our goal today. Think of it as an investment in your brand's professionalism. After clicking on upgrade, you'll be presented with the Get Business option. Selecting this plan is essential for anyone looking to enhance their Typeform experience with advanced features, including but not limited to complete customization, which of course means saying goodbye to default Typeform branding. Now it's time to fill in the details. This step involves entering your payment information to process the upgrade. Ensure that the details are correct to avoid any delays in activating your business plan. Once you've filled in your information, don't forget to click on Save. This action confirms the details you've entered and takes you one step closer to a brand-free form. Finally, click on Pay and Upgrade. Completing this step signifies the successful upgrade of your account to the business plan, which officially grants you the power to remove Typeform branding from your forms. And that's it. You've now unlocked the ability to create forms and surveys without the default Typeform branding. This newfound capability allows you to offer a seamless brand experience to your audience, enhancing your professionalism and brand consistency across all platforms. Remember, removing branding is just one of the many features that come with the business plan on Typeform. Take this opportunity to explore other features like custom thank you screens, redirects, and even scoring. Each feature is designed to give you and your audience a better experience, so make the most out of them. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found these instructions helpful and are now more confident in customizing your Typeform surveys and forms to align perfectly with your brand identity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy form making,